This video is lesson 14 of the Hands-on Equations learning system. And in this lesson, we're going to look at some equations like the one at the top of the screen that will present a challenge with just setting them up. And the reason that an equation like this presents a challenge just setting it up is that we start out with two x's and then we're wanting to remove a star, but we don't even have a star to remove. We can go ahead and put a 12 on the other side, but how are we going to remove a star from the left-hand side when we don't have any stars to remove? Well, the answer comes with our ability to add a zero pair to any side. So if I add a zero pair, I just added nothing to the left-hand side. Now I can finish setting up the problem by removing that star that I wanted to remove within the problem. Now I'm left with 3x equals 12, so I'm asking myself 3 times what is 12? 3 times 4 is 12, so x is 4, making star -4. Now the check in this problem looks a little bit different because we want to go back to our original physical setup, but in this case our original setup was 2 x's minus a star. So as soon as we remove that star, before we do anything else, before we add anything else or remove anything else from both sides, that's the setup that we want to go back to. So in this case, it's what you see on your screen right now. So we had x equals 4, which makes the left side 12 and the right side 12. So our equation is balanced for x equals 4 and star equals -4. Here's another example of a problem that will be challenging just to set up. On the left-hand side, we have x minus 3 stars plus 2. Well, I can go ahead and put it in the plus 2, but I can't even put minus 3 stars. So I'm going to have to add 3 zero pairs so that I can remove 3 stars. Okay, now I want to remove 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. So now my left-hand side is in its original physical setup. On the right-hand side, I have 8, but now I want to remove 2 x's. And on the right-hand side, I do not have 2 x's. So I'm going to add 2 zero pairs so that I can remove 2 x's. The x's are the blue pawns, so I'm going to now remove 2 x's. Okay, now I am in my original setup for this entire equation. So this is the point that I'm going to go back to when I'm ready to do my check. But I'm not ready to do the check yet because I still have to solve for x and for star. Remember that in our previous lesson we said when we have number cubes on both sides, it will be easier if we simplify the number cubes first. So I'm going to remove a 2 from both sides. 8 minus 2 is 6. Now I want to try to get rid of the pawns that are on the same side as the number cube. I want to get rid of these 2 stars. I don't see any over here that I can pair up with them. So what I can do though is I can put a zero pair on the opposite side and then remove 1 star from each side. And then I can do that again. Another zero pair on the opposite side and remove 1 star from each side. Now I have 6 x's equals 6. So 6 times what is 6? 6 times 1 is 6. If x is 1, star is -1. Now we're going to go back to that original setup. So when I originally set this up, I had an x, then I had added 3 zero pairs and a 2, and then I removed the 3 stars. So I actually ended up having 4 x's and a 2 on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, I had an 8, and then I wanted to remove 2 x's, but I had to add 2 zero pairs and then remove the 2 x's. So this was my original setup. Now I can substitute for x and for star. On the left-hand side, we have 4 plus 2, which is 6. And on the right-hand side, we have 8 minus 1, which is 7, and then minus another 1, which is 6. So this equation is true for x equals 1 and star equals -1. Here's one last example that you can try on your own by pausing the video, and then come back and check your solution. So the first thing that we want to do is we want 2x's, and then we want to subtract 3x's. Well, I don't have 3x's to subtract. So I'm going to have to add a 0 pair and then subtract 3x's. On the right-hand side, I want 10 plus x. I want to get rid of anything that is on the same side as the number cube, so I want to get rid of this blue pawn. And I can do that by adding a 0 pair to the opposite side. And now I have a blue pawn on opposite sides that I can remove at the same time without affecting the balance of my equation. I now am left with 2 stars equals 10. 2 times what is 10? 2 times 5 is 10. That makes star 5 and x negative 5. When you do your check, make sure you go back to your original setup. So I had 2 x's, but I had to put a 0 pair before I removed 3 x's. And then on the right-hand side, I just had 10 plus x. So this was my original setup. Substitute the values of star and x. Star was 5, x was negative 5. Left-hand side value is 5. Right-hand side is 10 minus 5, which is 5. So 5 equals 5. To recap, in this lesson, we looked at some examples of equations that are difficult even to just set up. And in these cases, it was necessary to add a 0 pair to one or even both sides of the equation in order to complete the setup process.